Hi and welcome. I'm Angela and this is Wild Raven Yoga. We're going to do some side planks today, so grab your mat. I have a blanket to protect my arm. I have very bony arms and I'm on a hardwood floor, so this will help me be a little more comfortable and not do any damage. Coming onto one side, I'm starting on my right. Place the elbow under the shoulder, the palm is down. I see people do this pose a lot, they lift their hand. This is your anchor. Okay, we're gonna lift up. You want your top hip drawing forward so it's level with the bottom hip. Ribs pull back into your spine. Lift the top arm. Breathe. We're going to reach for our leg. Extend the arm overhead. Exhale. Two more. And lower. Now we're going to stack our feet one in front of the other. Lift the top arm. And hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rotate on your feet. Bring the left forearm down. I'll turn the other side. My bottom knee comes down. Right arm is up now. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the bottom leg. Extend the arm over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into full plank. Interlace your hands. Step your feet back. Press back to the heels. Puff up your chest. Breathe for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down to your knees. Place your right hand down. I can remove that now. Come onto your right knee. Left arm lifts. Come back a little further. Bring the fingertips behind the ear. Elbow to knee. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kick it out, flex the foot, extend the arm over the ear. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into a quad stretch. Hold the foot, kick it back. Breathe. Release it out. Point the toe. Little circles. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse direction. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it in. Push into your hip. My arms are going right. My hips are going left. And let's do the other side. Left hand down, left knee. Lift the right leg. Fingers behind the ear or the head, your choice. Elbow to knee. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach back for a quad stretch. And then extend it out. And little circles. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And reverse it for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the knees together. Arms go left, hips go right. And coming back up. That's our side planks for the day. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.